look at the claws.
This turtle.
Oh, I thought it was just chilling here. I was thinking.
They get drunk.
Look how many.
Yeah.
It is like a fungus. They can eat.
What's going on, people? So today we're doing another tour through the Amazon jungle. Yeah. My man here, Jack, and the rest of the group. So yeah, man, this is us. Hopefully see some spiders, some snakes, some monkeys, some jaguars, anacondas, whatever. I want to see them all. But yeah, that's the plan of action today, man. So let's get it. Right.
I get the deja vu on the ground.
PTSD. Day 2 in the jungle with the gang.
Recommendation: don't touch anything from the ground. Okay. And also don't touch trees. And also, if you see something, don't get down to touch. Maybe some poisonous snake or some poison ants are very painful. Okay, we're gonna walk in silence. Okay, no crying because the animals are scared. You can see this one, jaguar view. Jaguar.
You wanna see jaguar?
At night time was behind you
Oh really?
last night.
Oh, you could have taught me.
You stayed. You see that palm tree? This is aguaje palm tree. This one at the same time it is medicine. If you consume a lot of this fruit, it's good to treat about cancer skin. The fruits are brown. Right there we have fruits you're gonna see. This one is not good for mosquitoes.
Yeah, but if it's the meat of it isn't.
Yeah,
is
I
it?
have the same problem. Yeah.
You like
You can try it.
chemically?
Huh?
Yeah, I don't think I got the real taste.
This resin or this bark is good when somebody has hernia in the part of the abdomen. You can set here with some fabric and you can tie. Yeah, for 2 weeks this one gonna be doing the job here in your abdomen. If you had, for example, if you had a hernia in your balls, because when somebody has hernia in the balls, it's hanging.
I thought you said balls. I was like, I think I misheard him.
Sorry. In the genitals.
Very specific.
Yeah, this one can absorb.
You just soak your balls in some resin.
Oh.
You know what to do.
Yeah, I know what to do. Yeah.
Your balls.
Yeah, man. Getting a load of knowledge about the trees, brother. Come on. Oi. Cut this shit up, man. I'm just imagining like being out here in the wild, bro. But no shoes on, naked and that. Crazy, brother. You got a hole in your shoe.
Oh yeah, I put a hole in my shoe.
That was probably the pair from I had last night.
Watch out, guys. Don't fall down.
Oh, my shoe is so wet.
I don't know why my allergies are so bad today.
Huh?
I don't know what's wrong with me today.
This one is a nest.
And that's for what?
Nest of leaf carrier ants. Leaf carrier ants. You can see
Oh, leaf curry ants.
leaf carrier ants. Yeah, look here.
Oh shit.
They are going inside. Watch out. Watch out. Don't fall down.
Dangerous. Don't know.
What is it?
A nest.
Ants nest.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Leaf carrier
That's a
ants
big ass
nest.
nest. Yeah, it is.
For ants in it? I thought it was fucking... I could live in there. Leaf carrying ants. That's the biggest fucking nest I've ever seen. Oh shit.
They are working. Look here. They are working.
Oh yeah?
These guys are considered like army ants also.
Okay.
Because they can work all day, all night. This is another medicine. If you smell, it smells good.
Mmm. Interesting.
Set your finger here. Set.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
Yeah, can smell. Yeah. We call here pichirina, this one, but it is a jungle ague. This one, if you have some ringworms in your body,
Ringworm.
ringworm,
What is it?
Ringworm.
Oh, ringworm. Oh.
you can use this one around your skin, doing scratching a little bit, and you can set this here. And sweet time, the ringworms gonna disappear. Today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow. The other one is more
Yeah.
difficult. Quite good tree, this one, but this one is another medicine. The bark of this tree you can drink also, mix with some orange juice or sugar cane rum juice also. You can drink. This one is good to put out the parasites you have in your body. In the village, you are going to see the kids, they have a big belly, yeah, because they drink a lot of water from the river.
Oh, okay. Parasites.
Parasites,
Yeah.
but they can get a lot of parasites. Their parents can't to get the bark of this tree, and they do the treatment with this one. This is a good remedy here in the Amazonia for those we use. When it is young, like this. When the tree is old, we cannot use because it can fall down. This one maybe has in different species. Boa anaconda, if you hear about boa anaconda, they live inside the water, under the water. If you see or if you hear boas constrictors, they live on the ground or sometimes on the branches of the trees. Yeah. Remember, last night you saw a small snake. It wasn't a little tree. That one, for example, is not boa.
Yeah.
Boa, they are always searching for their food climbing, but that one was waiting for some people to jump to bite.
Yeah.
It's very different behavior from boa constrictors and poison snakes. Okay?
Yeah.
Poison snake, for example, she went very close. Don't go so close because they can jump to bite. As she didn't know that she was very close. But now you know.
Classic set.
Yeah, that was the reason in the Amazonia people has afraid pink dolphins because they can change like a humans.
But does that mean if there's a white man tall like this walking
Yeah.
around in the village, are people a bit suspicious of him?
Yeah, they have a little scare. But now
Yeah.
Dolphin man.
now as this village it has a lot of visitors,
Right.
they don't have afraid now because we have
We just come and buy the Coca-Cola.
yes.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I see a snake.
Where?
Well,
I'm serious.
yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Watch out, watch out. Got a lot of histories to talk about that.
Yeah.
About
White man is the demon.
about the shore, about the shore man also
No, it's
Sure, man.
from this forest. This forest has a father. It's a shore man like this. We
Wow.
call it Chuyachaki.
What, one guy? He stay
Like
inside.
this.
What, Chucky?
He's the powerful of this.
And what does he do? Run about?
When you don't say him,
Pray.
yeah, you can say when you are enter
Yeah.
inside, you can say Chuya Chaquito. Don't lose me in your forest.
Okay.
And he's the father of the forest.
He's the father of the forest.
They talk about that in the documentary. Yeah.
Yeah. Me, when I go into the forest, I always pray that.
You always say it.
Yeah,
You said it for us, yeah?
yeah. Because sometimes you don't know this jungle and
Yeah.
also that area. But sometimes, if you call me, for example, this one, you are talking with me. When I continue walking, I'm gonna confuse all the way. He's doing his job.
Yeah.
Huh?
He changed the path.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Do you feel
taking another way.
like when
Goes a lot of, but it's okay because always I'm praying him
Yeah.
to the owner.
Yeah.
We had people in the Amazonia. They walk in their canoe alone, and they walk also inside the forest alone, not in group.
Yeah.
Only that person
Solo.
solo, only that person. But some of them, when he was walking in the same village,
Yeah.
not like here,
Yeah.
not like here, in the same village.
Okay.
Midnight, he saw a big man, black, with huge body, taller than you. The body was like this.
Mm.
That man followed him, wanting to catch. That he ran away. The man was behind him,
that's
very scared.
Yeah.
He get at the same village and he opened the door and shut at the moment and stay very scared in the home. You don't know what can happen in that forest. I told you last night by this one.
Yeah.
You never leave this when you go to work. It's to prevent.
Yeah.
and
Oh shit.
What should I say? What should I say?
Watch the steps. Yeah man, so just getting tore up. showing us about the plants, different animals, you know. But I see some snakes though in the daytime, man. So I'm after anaconda, hopefully. But mine says like basically like you never see them. Them and jaguars, like you never see them, like 1 in a million type shit. Especially the jaguars, because they'll see you, but you won't see them. But yeah, crazy, man. My mum was also saying as well that every time he comes into the jungle, he says a prayer to this little like demon that owns the jungle basically. Because if you don't, sometimes it can get you lost. You know what I mean? On purpose. Like you'll be walking down a trail like this, and then you'll think you're going back the correct way, but the demon will change it, the trail, so you end up just getting lost in the jungle. And when you get lost in here, you are fucked, brother. You are fucked. So, yeah, that's what he says every time he comes in. He does a prayer for himself and us.
There is a jungle hotel.
Jungle hotel?
This one. Huh? Maybe here it is sleeping now. Maybe one bullfrog, maybe some armadillos, or maybe some snake is sleeping now inside.
It's got
The
web.
hole is not closed. This hole, it has 3 meters in deep.
Oh.
See, look.
Oh yeah, lots today, innit? Oh shit. Do the animals know that humans come through here often? Animals know that people come here often, so they stay away.
Possible.
Yeah. So jaguar and stuff, they stay away from
Also,
yeah.
use the same way.
Oh, they use.
Walking,
Yeah.
in the same way we are walking.
I thought they would stay away from
Sometimes
this.
they coming out, but at night time you're gonna find at daytime
Yeah,
those.
Their paw.
Yeah,
Where did they sleep? On the tree or on the floor?
they sleep on the floor,
Yeah.
or sometimes on the branches of the
Yeah,
trees.
yeah. And they top predator here. Nothing hunt jaguar.
No,
Just human.
that's human.
Yeah, man. Well, I see a tarantula. Yo, you can just hear how like it's so quiet, but yet so loud. Like when you really listen, so many animals you hear. Crazy, man, crazy.
Fungus.
They get drunk.
Look how many.
Yeah.
When it is like
ants
a
there.
fungus, they can eat those leaves. But like this, they don't eat. Can be called
look
like
at all
a
them.
fungus.
Look how many
Oh,
ants
they
there is.
feed.
All these moving leaves you see are ants. Look how far up it goes. Wow. Wow. Yo, there's so many, bro. Look. All the way.
This one is the same tree I was explaining there. It's a ficus tree. But
Yo, it's so hot though in here, you know, like humid hot, man. Just feels like no breeze. Just super sweaty, man. I had to take my coat off. I don't even want to take it off because you just get pure insects just flying on you and that, but it's either one or the other. Can't have best of both worlds. But fuck, you know. So hot, man. Yeah, so wet. Don't make no sense. Wow. Check this tree out. Spikes on that. There's spikes on it. Look at these big ass ant nest. Look, to think that whole thing's a nest. What? That whole thing's a nest, bro. You get me? Fuck me, mate. I could live in that. It's that big. It's a fucking ant. Let's go on. Dead termite nest. R.I.P. See you in a bit, bruv. Fucking hell. I don't even want to fucking touch everything, bruv. Going through me, mate. Going through me. Fucking just bugs every minute. Pissing me off. Oh. And my nose is all bunged up as well. I don't even know what all that's about. It was today. Can't stop fucking sniffling. Come on, cuz.
Oh, look at the
This-
claws.
This
She's so cute.
this turtle, no, they live on the ground.
Ah,
They are from the ground.
Very soft, isn't it?
Okay.
In his hand.
It's sweet.
This one doesn't live under the water. We had another aquatic one.
this way.
Yeah. Sí, por eso.
A little body.
Hello,
A little body. Found a new pet in the jungle.
This one is a.
Look at him putting his head in. It's like, get out my face. Jaw hold it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fucking get into my head, man. So how long you say you've been doing the tour? 20 years?
Which
This tour here, jungle tour, 20 years?
22 years.
22 years. I don't think I will last 22 years doing this. I don't think I'll last 2 years. Fuck.
Yeah. Do you like a lot the jungle?
Yeah, I like.
Can't Peru to work like a guy.
Yeah, maybe I'll come work with you, yeah?
And you can learn about animals from the jungle and about medicine.
Yeah.
And you,
Maybe I'll come back and you teach me, yeah?
yeah.
I'll follow you around for 1 year.
Start of the YouTube.
Right now, about to finish up the daytime hike in the jungle. Didn't see much today, but guess it evens it out for yesterday. But yeah, can't wait to just get some fucking fizzy drink down me, man. I need some sugar.
Medicinal fly capture. Medicinal fly capture.
Currently, just in the Amazon now. apparently they're lurking around here somewhere. So if you see him, you're gonna grab him. You get me? Come on, cuz. They're getting grabbed. Yeah, I wouldn't mind grabbing a caiman right now, me anyway. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah, bad boy picture just holding it in a headlock like that. You know what I'm saying, bro? But yo, come to think of it today, yeah, I feel like I had an allergic reaction today because my eyes, my lips, my nose, everything just went dead puffy on my face. And I didn't feel good, man. I didn't feel good at all, but it seemed to have cleared up a little bit now. But I was just saying to these people, like, earlier, like, I could not do a week out here. No chance. No chance. I'd say 3-4 days max, and then I'm out. It's heavy, man, heavy. It goes from like, I'd say after about 2-3 days, it goes from having fun to like, what the fuck am I doing type shit, you know what I mean? Everything here is trying to bite you, whether it's fucking from jaguars to snakes and spiders to the little mosquitoes and everything. You go to put on your shoes, there's scorpions on them, like the water, it's just, yeah man, it's long. And out here as well, it's 100% humidity, so it's just so hot all the time. It's raining all the time, like random, but it's not like, because it's so hot, sometimes the rain's nice. And yeah, I just feel like after a week out here, you've been more than wanting to go home. Me anyway, personally. So if you're coming to visit the Amazon, I'd say 2-3 days max. Two days is all you need. But maybe the extra day just to, you know what I mean. Also the guides telling us about like the demons that are here in the jungle, and it's like there's like a myth where it's like when you're solo walking in the jungle, you never look behind you because there's something always following you, like a spirit or like a ghost sort of. And it's like if you turn around, you'll see it and it'll just scare you. So you just never look around, you know what I mean? Because you don't know what it will look like. Sometimes it's got horns, sometimes it looks like a human, sometimes it's like a dead person. And it's like, yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. But yeah, and finally, I'm glad I've done something like this anyway, because it's like once in a lifetime, you know what I mean? Man's really in the Amazon jungle, bro. Like, what? Like, you read about this shit in books and, you know what I mean? Watch nature documentaries on the TV and they're based in the Amazon, and I'm here getting around on the Amazon River, you know what I mean? Looking for caimans, like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Don't even feel real, I'll be honest, but yeah, man, I'm here. And when you see it from up top, like, it's so big, and then you come down and you really understand how big it is. Like, it's huge, man. It makes you just feel so small, like, and if you got lost in here, you would really be lost. Like, you'd have no chance of someone finding you, not a chance. So dense, and like, even the floor when you walk through the jungle, it's all ups, downs, wet, dry, dark, light. It's crazy, man. It's a crazy place. And the humidity is 100% humidity here at the moment. Like, you can just feel how hot it is. The only time you get a breeze is when you're on one of these boats and it's like the wind just pushing you. Yeah, man. It's mad. Oh, hey Dixon.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The power of the sunset.
Yeah. these are like nocturnal animals, so they only come out at the night time. So this is what we're on at the moment. Hopefully find one and catch one.
Red eyes. Like this.
Yo, so currently just looking for caiman alligators in the Amazon jungle. This is what it's like now. About 7 PM. Sun's just gone down. And yeah man, hopefully we catch one. That'll be good that. Just hear all the sounds. Jungle, man.
Atrás, roda.
Frogs, birds.
Aqui está onde você rapaz.
Currently just looking for the caimans.
Espera, vou ralar atrás, né?
This one poisonous?
Poisons. That one is lance hit.
Oh,
Lance hit snake. It was on the boat.
Maybe, why are you holding like a
On the boat,
He's like in
they broke.
a hammock.
They captured one.
Okay, wait.
oh, and he brought it back. Oh, I thought it was just chilling here. I was thinking, we was out for hours to find one, and then
It was the two.
this one just here. That is crazy, bro.
Of you, Dixon, with
Okay.
it. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Get down. There. No, just there.
Watch how fast he swims off.
Yeah, little one.
He's going.